Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that often gets overlooked in our fast-paced world: the importance of sleep. We all know that sleep is essential, but do we truly understand just how crucial it is for our overall well-being? Let's find out. We live in a society that often glorifies productivity and a busy lifestyle, leading us to sacrifice our sleep to get more done. But the truth is, by neglecting our sleep, we're actually hindering our productivity and putting our health at risk. Did you know that while we sleep, our bodies and brains go through a complex series of processes that are vital for our physical and mental health? Let's take a closer look at the incredible benefits of a good night's sleep. Restores and rejuvenates. Sleep allows our bodies to repair and restore themselves. It's during sleep that our cells regenerate, muscle tissue grows, and our immune system strengthens. So, if you want to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day, sleep is your secret weapon. Enhances cognitive function. Sleep plays a crucial role in memory consolidation and learning. While we sleep, our brains process and organize information, helping us retain what we've learned throughout the day. So, if you're studying for an exam or trying to master a new skill, make sure to get enough sleep to optimize your brain's performance. Supports emotional well-being. Ever noticed how your mood takes a nosedive when you're sleep deprived? That's because sleep deprivation affects our emotional regulation. Lack of sleep can make us more irritable, easily frustrated, and prone to mood swings. Prioritizing sleep can significantly improve our emotional well-being and help us maintain a positive mindset. Boosts physical performance. Whether you're an athlete or simply enjoy an active lifestyle, sleep is essential for optimal physical performance. It improves our coordination, reaction time, and overall athletic ability. So, next time you hit the gym or the sports field, remember that sleep is just as important as training and nutrition. Now that we've explored the incredible benefits of sleep, how can we ensure we're getting the right amount and quality of sleep each night? Here are a few tips to help you optimize your sleep routine. Establish a bedtime routine. 1. Create a consistent routine before bed, signaling to your body that it's time to wind down. 2. This could include activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Make your bedroom a sanctuary for sleep. Keep it dark, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. Invest in a good mattress and pillows that support your body's needs. Limit exposure to screens before bed. The blue light emitted by screens can disrupt our sleep patterns. Try to avoid screens at least an hour before bedtime. Instead, unwind with activities like reading a book or listening to soothing music. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Train your body to follow a regular sleep-wake cycle. Go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your internal body clock and improves sleep quality. Remember, sleep is not a luxury. It's a necessity for our well-being. By prioritizing our sleep, we're investing in our health, happiness, and overall success. So, let's make a commitment to give ourselves the gift of good sleep starting tonight. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Sleep tight and take care. See you in the next video.